Camping or glamping? How hard will you go this summer? Welcome to the ultimate showdown of the summer, camping versus glamping. Are you ready to rough it out in the wild, or do you prefer a touch of luxury under the stars? Today we're diving into the hotly contested debate of camping versus glamping. What's the difference? Is one easier or cheaper than the other? And does glamping take away the essence of what it means to camp? Let's find out. Did you know that the average cost of camping sites range from $12 to $45 per night, while glamping can set you back anywhere from $100 to thousands of dollars per night? That's right, folks. You could either be sleeping on the ground for the price of a pizza or lounging in a treehouse for the cost of a small mortgage. So are you the type who loves the smell of campfire smoke in your hair and the thrill of finding the perfect tree for, well, nature's call? Or do you prefer sipping a latte in your air-conditioned yurt while posting #NatureLover on Instagram? But wait, is there more to this debate than just comfort and cost? Could there be a deeper issue lying just underneath the surface? Stay tuned as we explore the essence of what it means to truly connect with nature. Let's get started. What is camping? Alright, let's kick things off with the OG of outdoor adventures, camping. Picture this, you, a tent, and the great outdoors. No Wi-Fi, no room service, just you and Mother Nature. Camping is all about getting back to basics. It involves setting up your own tent, cooking over a campfire, and sleeping under the stars. It's a raw and rustic experience that has been around since, well, forever. Did you know that in 2017, campers in the US spent a whopping $3 billion on camping equipment? And guess what the number one purchase was? Not tents, not sleeping bags, but flashlights. Because let's face it, nobody wants to be caught in the dark when nature calls at 2 a.m. Pros and cons. Now let's break down the pros and cons of camping. On the plus side, it's affordable, offers a deep connection with nature, and teaches valuable survival skills. Plus, there's nothing quite like the smell of a campfire and the taste of s'mores. But it can also be a bit, let's say, character building. Think bugs, unpredictable weather, and the occasional raccoon raid on your food stash. Here's a fun stat for you. 96% of people who went camping said their gear kept them comfortable. So if you're worried about roughing it, just remember, a good tent and a cozy sleeping bag can make all the difference. Camping isn't just about sitting around a fire though. It's a gateway to all sorts of outdoor activities. Hiking, fishing, stargazing, and even storytelling around the campfire. It's like a choose-your-own adventure book, but with more mosquito bites. And let's not forget the joys of setting up a tent. It's like a giant puzzle that tests your patience and your relationship. Pro tip, always read the instructions first, or you might end up with a modern art installation instead of a shelter. Camping is about embracing the wild, getting a little dirty, and making memories that last a lifetime. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, there's something magical about spending a night under the stars. Just don't forget your flashlight. What is glamping? Now let's talk about glamping, the Beyoncé of outdoor adventures. Glamping, short for glamorous camping, is where nature meets luxury. Imagine waking up in a cozy bed with a real duvet, and not a sleeping bag that feels like a burrito wrap. Glamping is all about enjoying the great outdoors without sacrificing the comforts of home. Did you know that the term glamping was officially added to the Oxford English Dictionary in 2016? If it's good enough for the Oxford folks, it's good enough for us. And get this, the global glamping market was valued at a whopping $2.1 billion in 2018 and is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 14.7% from 2022 to 2027. Pros and cons. So what makes glamping so special? Let's break it down. On the plus side, glamping offers luxury and convenience. Think proper beds, electricity, running water, and even gourmet meals. It's like staying in a 5-star hotel, but with a better view. But all this luxury comes at a price. Glamping can be significantly more expensive than traditional camping, with some sites charging hundreds of dollars per night. Now here's a fun stat. 60% of glamping travelers prefer to stay in unique structures like cabins, tree houses, or yurts. And in 2021, glamping businesses in the UK reported a 362% increase in bookings compared to 2019. Clearly, people are loving this blend of nature and comfort. Glamping isn't just about lounging and luxury, though. Many glamping sites offer a range of activities from spa treatments and gourmet dining to guided tours and outdoor adventures. It's perfect for families and couples looking to relax and explore without the hassle of setting up camp. And let's not forget the perks. Hot tubs, anyone? Yes, you heard that right. Some glamping sites come with hot tubs, saunas, and even massage parlors. It's like bringing your favorite spa into the wilderness. Who says you can't have it all? So there you have it. Glamping is all about combining the beauty of the outdoors with the comforts of modern living. Whether you're a nature newbie or a seasoned camper looking for a bit of luxury, glamping offers the best of both worlds. Cost comparison. Alright folks, let's talk about money. Whether you're a penny-pinching camper or a high-rolling glamper, knowing the cost can make or break your outdoor adventure. So let's dive into the dollars and cents of camping versus glamping. First up, camping. The beauty of camping is that it's generally easy on the wallet. You can pitch a tent for as little as $12 to $45 per night at most campsites. But wait, there's more. You'll need some gear to get started. A decent family tent can set you back around $475 and add another $300 for sleeping bags and mats. So your initial investment might be around $775, but once you've got your gear, the ongoing costs are minimal. Plus, you get to enjoy the priceless experience of waking up with the sun and roasting marshmallows over an open fire. Looking to gear up for your next outdoor adventure? Check out the Amazon links in the description for our favorite camping essentials, from durable tents to cozy sleeping bags. Now let's talk about glamping. If camping is the budget-friendly burger joint, glamping is the 5-star restaurant. Glamping prices can vary widely, but expect to pay anywhere from $100 to $650 per night, depending on the level of luxury and location. For example, a night at Under Canvas Zion can cost you $650. And that's just for the entry-level tent. Want a suite tent? That'll be nearly $850 per night. But hey, you're getting a king-size bed, private bathroom, and even a wood-burning stove. It's like bringing your living room to the wilderness. Cost-saving tips for camping. Looking to save some cash on your camping trip? Here are a few tips. Borrow or rent gear. If you're not a frequent camper, consider borrowing gear from friends or renting it. This can save you a ton on initial costs. Shop for used gear. Check out thrift stores or online marketplaces for gently used camping equipment. Stay close to home. Camping close to home can save you money on travel expenses, including gas and transportation costs. Plan your meals. Avoid expensive prepackaged meals and cook your own food over the campfire. It's cheaper and way more fun. Cost-saving tips for glamping. And for you glampers out there, here are some ways to keep costs down. Book off-season. Glamping sites are often cheaper during the off-season, plus you'll avoid the crowds. Be flexible with dates. Midweek stays are usually less expensive than weekends. Skip the add-ons. While hot tubs and gourmet meals are tempting, they can add up quickly. Stick to the basics to save money. Cook at the glamp site. Bring your own food and cook at the site instead of dining out. It's a great way to save money and enjoy the outdoors. The essence of camping. Traditional camping is all about embracing nature in its rawest form. It's about pitching your own tent, cooking your meals over an open fire, and sleeping under the stars. It's a test of your resourcefulness and a chance to develop essential outdoor skills. From learning how to start a fire to navigating trails, camping teaches you to be self-reliant and to appreciate the simple things in life. Now, glamping, on the other hand, is all about comfort and convenience. It's like camping's glamorous cousin who shows up to the family reunion in a designer outfit. With glamping, you get to enjoy nature without giving up the comforts of home. Think cozy beds, private bathrooms, and gourmet meals. It's perfect for those who want to experience the outdoors without the roughing it part. But here's the million-dollar question. Does glamping take away the essence of what it means to camp? Some purists argue that glamping dilutes the true camping experience. They believe that the essence of camping lies in its simplicity and the challenge of living without modern conveniences. There's also the environmental impact to consider. Traditional camping can lead to damaging natural habitats if not done responsibly. Glamping, with its need for electricity and other resources, can contribute to carbon emissions and waste. However, some glamping sites are designed to minimize their environmental footprint, making them a good choice for eco-conscious travelers. So could there be a deeper issue lying just underneath the surface? Perhaps. But whether you choose to camp or glamp, the most important thing is to get out there and enjoy the great outdoors. Embrace the adventure, savor the moments, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Let us know your favorite camping or glamping experience, and let us know your thoughts on the camping versus glamping in the comments below. From your friends at The Vacation Agent, happy camping or glamping, everyone, and safe travels.